Hi, welcome to this session of command line arguments. Our application have the command line arguments. We have record and replay as is the only command line arguments, and other is to run the application in normal mode. So example, I can run the application as in the normal mode here. Example drive.api and mode as if I don't give any mode, it will guide me what is the right parameter that we can pass here. So mode I want to run in the normal mode, then I can run as a normal mode here. Or if I don't want to give anything, it will automatically run normal mode. And you can do the same thing from your installer exe here. So I have given a mode example, but I didn't pass any settings, so it will give the same option. So I'm just doing it from here because it's my dep setup. So I hope that will not cause a confusion for you. Now let's cover about this command line option. So what is record? Record means that we are recording something. We are storing something or we are keeping track of something. And replay means we are playing whatever we have recorded. The record HEIR is here is hierarchy, right? So as I told you in the last session that we have input files in some hierarchy, like this input folder is check, and we have Ritesh. This is the, so you can see the hierarchy Ritesh, then batch test, and we have a file name folder, and inside that we have a files, and the output also we have a same hierarchy maintained. So you want to record in the same hierarchy, that is the record here and replay. Now what is record and replay I'm talking about? I will tell you. So once your data is processed, it is done. So you have to clean your input folder. So example, this is your config.json file, and uh, uh, you have your media storage location here, right? So once your data is processed, it's stored in the result folder. And once it is processed, uh, you want to move all the files. I mean, you want to, you have your multiple folder. Example, in the check folder, I have in the result folder, I have a lot of folders. And if I go to multiple folders, I have multiple PDF files or results, right? I have multiple PDF files and results. So it is difficult for you to copy paste into one folder. So this is what the recording does. Recording is going to store all the files, whichever is done or processed in a one folder, which is predefined folder. The name of folder is workspace. So in your application for installer location, look for the workspace folder. So in the archive, we have a final Excel from all of your input folders. Wherever you have file in any hierarchy, we are going to save the file in that master.exe. And we have a backup file as an archive for other things. So suppose your application crash in between. So our crash means your system got down or some shutdown or some other issues are there. We have a backup file here always. So the example of record and replay here is, so example in the tracker file, I have uh, I have this file is done, right? So we want to record this file in our location, right? I mean, we want to record. So the result of this file will be stored in the workspace, and this file will be moved from the PDF to this workspace. So, I mean, the searchable PDF file will move to the workspace. If by chance there is no searchable PDF file, then the original image will be moved. Why? Because it will save your space, right? We are keeping the file in one location, and it will be easy for you to track whatever the file is processed. Example, here we have 1000 files, so we have 990 file is done. So we are moving the 990 file into some other folder, or the PDF, or we can say we are moving the searchable PDF, so that you don't have to copy paste or filter that. So whatever file is left, that means it is not done, or you can see that from the tracker to the stages 2. So here I am running example my drive.api, and I am running the mode as record. So this is without hierarchy. So you can see that it has copied the data into the workspace folder. If I go to the if I go to here in the processed, so processed mean processed. This is what record does. So it has copied all the data from multiple hierarchy. So you can see in my input, I have uh, this Ritesh folder, and here I have multiple folders, but it has subfiles, and the same way in the results. But this result folder has this record has processed all the output into the one file, which is without hierarchy. And if we want to replay, so example, this is my fifth invoice with empty 12.pdf file. This is searchable PDF. You can see that the output we have. And if I go to the results, I don't have that PDF. So example, I will go to this back to this folder. If I go to the batch test, this one, you can see the PDF is empty here, right? I will go back, and from the terminal, I will just run replay. So replay will keep my file back to those places wherever it was earlier. Suppose you want to reprocess them again, you can replay them again. So here in my PDF, I have my file back, and in my processed folder, in the workspace, the folder is gone. And same applies to the hierarchy. In the hierarchy, we are going to store that in the workspace folder in the same hierarchy and replay in the same mode. So I hope this tutorial is clear to you. Thank you for watching.